Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what are GoHighLevel pricing plans. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are thinking about using GoHighLevel. What are their pricing plans? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but if you haven't signed up for GoHighLevel just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up and get a 14-day free trial. Now with GoHighLevel, they have two plans that you see right over here. They have the $97 a month plan and they have the $297 a month plan. With the starter plan, you basically get everything, but you're only allowed 3 sub accounts. This is probably like the main limiting factor when it comes to the starter plan. But I'd say for most starting businesses where you only want to have GoHighLevel just for yourself, usually the starter plan should do just fine. It's going to allow you to capture leads, nurture leads, and you get all access to the pipelines, social calendars, and website builders. And in addition to that, you can also add unlimited contacts and users, as many as you need. Now, the biggest upgrade to the $297 month plan is that you're going to get unlimited sub accounts, okay? With the API access, I'm not really tech savvy, so I don't really use this as much. And you also get a branded desktop app, but I've found that from my clients and customers, they don't really care so much about this. But with that though, unlimited sub accounts, as many client accounts as you need for one price, this is probably the main factor. And so if you only plan on using GoHighLevel for yourself, probably just start it with the starter plan. But if you run multiple businesses or you have multiple clients, you probably would benefit more from the $297 a month plan. Now there is like a white label option, which I think is around $497 a month as far as GoHighLevel goes. Let me see if I can find that. Okay, it looks like they're only offering 2 different month plans, but yeah, essentially that right there is the pricing plans for GoHighLevel. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.